and we took them slow. Gave me warmth when I was so cold. Gave me a love, honey,
Hi guys, and good morning. It is currently Sunday. I haven't vlogged or really talked to you guys since December, since Vlogmas ended and since 2020 ended, and we're in 2021, but it still sucks. I haven't talked to you, but I've still had videos going up because they were pre-filmed and pre-scheduled because I wanted to lessen the load for when I went back to school, which I am in school currently. I've been filming little parts of like every single day for the past 24 days of January. I've been doing it every day, and I've been posting on my TikTok as well as my Instagram Reels. Today is Sunday. Sundays are usually slower. It is also kind of gloomy. I think in the end of Vlogmas I said that we were heading into lockdown, and we are still in lockdown. Things on the agenda, not much. I have to do a lot of like chore things. I have to do my laundry, I have to work on a couple things, hand some things in. I wanted to start a new series called S.O.S, or Sundays Open Sessions, which is basically like my therapy. This is basically an open therapy session for me, but also for you. If you want to leave a comment telling me what you're scared about, what your Sunday scaries are, leave a comment, because I always reply to comments because I think they're fun to interact with you guys. These Sunday vlogs in particular are gonna be covering the topics of Sunday scaries, which I didn't know what Sunday scaries were until I was watching Michelle Reed's vlogs a long time ago, and she was talking about Sunday scaries, and they're basically like whatever like stresses you or makes you anxious about the next week. So for me, it's mostly like assignments that I have to do, like shit I have to get done.
but I'm afraid. But darling, if you
Hi guys, so it is currently like 2:40 and all I've done was work. And then I remembered while I was working that a comment under my everyday jewelry collection was to show my silver pieces, and then I went through a huge silver phase in my like high school days. Most of my silver pieces have oxidized, so these are the silver midi hoops from Missouri, and they're just like your basic everyday silver hoops. They're really thin, really super lightweight, super dainty, which is what I love about them. And these, they are just like the perfect silver hoop. And then throwback to my Pandora ring phase, I literally have so many. The silver ones are completely oxidized, and then these ones are just rose gold. So this necklace, I'm so sad that it oxidized and it looks completely disgusting. You really won't be able to tell, but it is engraved with the date September 2nd, I believe, 2008, which me and my friend have matching one of these because it was like our 10-year anniversary in 2018. I also have this ring from Pandora, which was like my tried and true, and this ring both my sisters actually have as well, so it's kind of special too. And I believe that is everything that is in my jewelry collection. I don't wear most of it. If you want to see like my actual tried and true everyday things, I recommend that you watch that video, because those are like my tried and true good quality pieces that I found recently. Oh, I also have this ring sizer from Missouri, which is like completely free. Another tip, if you want to figure out your ring size, it's typically your shoe size. So I'm a size 6.5, but my fingers can range from a 6 to a 6.5 to like a 5 or a 5.5. So it's not always accurate, but it is a good way to tell if you don't have a ring sizer. Hi loves, so it is now 4:46-ish. If you're confused by the title, it is SOS. It stands I think I'm going to name it Sundays Open Sessions. Basically what this is it's my therapy session, but I just want to have the space to talk about whatever is on my mind going into a new week. Again, if you follow me on TikTok, you would see that literally every day because I am trying to compile videos for every day. Want to do daily vlogs because that's like too much, but that's essentially what it is. It's just like a bunch of highlights of my day compiled into like a 15-second video. Today's Sunday open session, I want to talk about the stress of online school. I feel like all these professors think that we suddenly got the hang of like online school. They've just jumped right in and they expect us to do everything, and I feel like every single prof has used the excuse that we're in third year and we should know what we're doing. Ma'am or sir, I would like to sometimes be reminded how to do things. I would love if you would repeat something. It doesn't hurt to repeat it. It is literally your job. And I feel like with every new semester, I feel like everyone else in the class knows exactly what they're doing except for me. And I feel like everybody else knows exactly what they're doing and I am sitting there just clueless, and it takes me a while to understand what the hell is happening. Other things, we have been in this fucking disaster of a quarantine life for almost a year. It's been 10 and a half months. I really think that my family is starting to get on each other's nerves, but we have been getting into way more arguments lately, and I think it's because of quarantine. Let me know if your family is like that, because I know that a lot of families are getting into arguments lately. Oh, my YouTube. So the videos that you have seen so far on my YouTube channel were pre-filmed from 2020, so that is like 2020 me. This video that you're watching, it is January 24th, 2021. Oh my god. So this is the first video that I am filming in 2021, so it feels very weird to kind of be back even though I've never left. This year is not really looking up as much as we so hoped 2020 would be. 21 is going to be a year. Yeah, I'll be 21 when I'm graduating, because I'll be graduating in June of 2022, but my birthday is in July, so I will be 21. Hi guys, so it is very much later. It is now nighttime. It's like 9:40 I think, and I'm about to head to bed, but I wanted to end this vlog before I forget because I have a tendency to forget to end vlogs. Before I go, I wanted to talk to you guys about my uploading schedule. I've been thinking about maybe switching up my schedule. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Turn on the post notifications bell. I typically upload on Thursdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm thinking about moving my upload schedule to Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. When I first started YouTube, my upload schedule used to be Sundays at 12 p.m. Let me know when you guys watch YouTube, because I will typically watch it throughout the week. Let me know when you guys watch YouTube and when you want me to upload. New year, why not change it up? But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new or haven't done so already, subscribe, turn on the post notifications bell, follow me on Instagram. It's just at Kiana Gabrielle _ and I will see you guys in my next video, which for now will be Thursdays. Bye guys.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?